SoSmart is a project about socially sustainable manufacturing for the factories of the future in Europe. The SoSmart project is a coordinated support action, meaning that the overall goal is to provide the European Commission with a roadmap to what kind of research they should emphasize, encourage, and fund to achieve a socially sustainable future for manufacturing. A main idea of the project is to consider social sustainability from 3 different angles, which we include in our idea of the socially sustainable ecosystem. First, we look at the individual life balance case. What does the individual in a society want from life, and why would they choose to work in manufacturing or not? And what would make them stay at a job for the long term or want to transfer to another one? What are the requirements on their education and skills in order to make a future in manufacturing? And what are their work-life priorities? Second, we have the industry business case, which is obviously very concerned not just with human well-being, but also with economical aspects and staying competitive. How do you solve the business case where you attract your workers to stay for the long term and grow their knowledge and competence as a resource, while at the same time providing the flexibility and training and human capital management that makes you stay competitive? A parallel concern for the project as a whole is how this contributes to having manufacturing jobs stay in Europe. Then finally, on the society end of the scale, what can the surrounding communities provide and demand in order for the goals of both enterprises and individuals to merge? This is about society turning its attention to the life balance of citizens and providing the infrastructure and policies that make socially sustainable manufacturing possible. This ecosystem must balance the commercial and the political interests, but at the center is the well-being of the human worker. So this is an EU project where we seek to create knowledge of all of these different perspectives of social sustainability for the benefit of future manufacturing. Our consortium is from 5 different countries: Germany, Sweden, Finland, Italy, and Greece. So we hope our project will inspire you to think about what you see as the main major challenges for making European manufacturing able to stay and grow in a sustainable way. Please keep in touch with us by visiting our workshops, our website, and our group on LinkedIn. Thank you.